How to view Snapchat message history on Snapchat. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. Without any further ado, let's move into the video. As you know, first of all, open Snapchat account. Then go to settings option that is located up above. And then go to the wheel option that is called the settings option. And as you click on that, then you have to scroll down and go to privacy section, and under the privacy section you have to go to my data. Now it will take some time to load, and let it load. Now as it has opened, now you can see it has all kind of data over here. Now you can also download data that is available, and that is all kind of data that is available. That is your snap history, login history, story spotlights, purchase history, Snapchat support history, snap shop history, and all the other things. You have to scroll down, and then if you have a verified email address, then you have to click over here, and then you can get your data about your Snapchat message history. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button.